Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the mask feature in CapCut. This mask feature can be very helpful if you want to add special effects to your video, such as blending different clips together or adding a text to specific areas of the video. So let's dive into it and get started. I'm going to open up the CapCut. And the first step is to import your video into CapCut. You can either record a new video using your phone camera or import an existing one from your gallery. Just tap on this plus icon and select the video that you want to add. I'll choose this video as a base. I'm going to tap on add. Now to add the mask, select your video, go to overlay and then add overlay. Here select any video that you want to add. I'll be choosing this one and tap on add. Now I have this video. Now let's add the mask feature. Just slide down by selecting the video. And from here, select this option. Just tap on it. Here are some of the templates that you can use. This is a split option, this is a film strip, and that's circle. We will be using this circle. You can increase the size or you can move it to your video. Let's make a small mask for it. Yeah, this looks good. And once you're happy with your mask, just tap on this tick icon. Now I'm going to play the video. You see the mask is applied to your video. Now if you want to move it and reduce its size, you can simply use your fingers and move it to any position that you want. You can also add some of the animations to this. Now to see the effect of the mask on your video, just go back and tap on play. And once you're happy with your masked video, it's time to export it and share it. On top right, just here select the resolution that you want and tap on export. Once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how to use the mask feature in CapCut. If you have any questions or comments regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.